Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to clone apps on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on app clone. Now from here, you can create a clone of the following apps. Now to create the clone, just enable the toggle for the app you want to create a clone of, just like that. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open the app drawer, and if you search for the app which you have created a clone of, as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the Facebook app, just like that. And as you can see, there is a clone icon at the bottom left of the cloned app icon to indicate that it is the clone version of the original app, just like that. As you can see, this is the clone icon at the bottom left of the cloned app. And this is how you can create clone apps on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.